mag-inhale exhale ako doon. Doon. Only one tree I saw here. That's only the one tree. So I need to make inhale exhale there. Yeah, but I see only there. Walking, walking, walking. Walking, walking, walking. Walking, walking, walking. Exercise. We're doing exercise. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Ayan, good, very good. Ito nga po. Come here, only here. Here. After I will go there. Come. Until not sweating, we are not going home. If we are sweating, we will go home. See? You see? You become strong.
Sweating is good for us.
Yeah, very good. If you are always stay in the room with AC, oh, big problem for your veins, for your bones, for everything. If you are stay always in the room, I don't want to stay with the AC. Ayos tayo. Come here. Come sit. Oh. Come here. Yeah.
Got some water. Can you buy some?
After 10 minutes, we will go home. And we need to go rounding. The bear and the winner. Wow! Wow! You're very strong now. He's looking at you. Looking at you. Huh?
What?
What's that?
A cat.
Looking at you.
It's a cat.
Yeah, cat. Small cat. Look like this. Galing na. They come here only. Hey, Sam, only here. Yan na. Yan na si Samuel. Exercise na.
Video me run.
Okay. Like that? Ah, yeah. Wow! Don't go in the... Only... Come here only. Don't go very far. Samuel, galing na. Iba talaga pag may kasama yung bata. Yan. Dahil nandito kami, so makapag-exercise yun. Oh. Are you tired? Tired or no? No. See? 10 minutes more. You're very good. If every day you can do like this, like exercise, until we are here, you're very good, healthy, and strong bones. Okay? Oh, like that? Wow! Oh, sino how to do like this? Galing na. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. Here! Here! In the sun! In the sun! Dito kami ni Samuel. Mag-inhale exhale kami. Yan, ito lang ang tree. Dito sa paligid. Ito lang nakikita ko talaga. So, Sam! Come here only. Sam! Look at me. Do like this. Look at me. Ooh. Si Samuel nag-inhale exhale siya. Oh. Inhale exhale siya dito sa likod ng moske.